Have you heard of this lifestyle change that might just revolutionize the way you think about food? Yes, we're talking about intermittent fasting, and no, it's not a diet. It's a pattern of eating. You heard it right. This is all about the when of eating rather than the what. Now, you might be wondering, why should you adopt a lifestyle that involves fasting? What if I told you that it can help you lose weight, boost your metabolism, and even improve your brain function? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on to your hats because we're just getting started. Imagine your body as a house. Intermittent fasting is like your housekeeping service. It gives your body the time it needs to clean out and repair cells. This process is called autophagy, and it's essentially a recycling and regeneration system in your body. And here's another whopper. Some research suggests that intermittent fasting could help you live a longer, healthier life. Imagine fulfilling your bucket list dreams and enjoying more years with your loved ones. Now that's a benefit we all can get behind. All right, so you're still with me, and I see that gleam of curiosity in your eyes. So what's next? Let's uncover the different methods of intermittent fasting, because guess what? There's no one-size-fits-all here. You've got options from the 16-8 method to the warrior diet, and we're going to explore each one. 16-8 method. This method, also known as the Lean Gains Protocol, involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window each day. For example, you might eat only between noon and 8 p.m. 5-2 method. This approach, also called the fast diet, involves normal eating for 5 days of the week and restricting calories to 500, 600 on 2 non-consecutive days of the week. 1 meal a day. This method involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. Alternate day fasting. This method involves alternating between days of no food restriction and days that consist of 1 meal that provides about 25% of daily caloric needs. Warrior diet. This diet involves eating small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and 1 large meal at night. The key is to find the one that suits your lifestyle and body the best. But what happens to your body when you fast? Besides the fat loss and muscle gain, your body goes through several key changes on a cellular and molecular level. Here are a few key changes. Insulin levels. Fasting affects insulin sensitivity and allows your body to use insulin more effectively. This is a boon for those managing their blood glucose levels. Human growth hormone, HGH. The levels of growth hormone skyrocket, increasing as much as 5-fold. This has benefits for fat loss and muscle gain. Cellular repair. Your cells initiate cellular repair processes such as removing waste material from cells. Gene expression. There are beneficial changes in several genes and molecules related to longevity and protection against disease. Even your body's circadian rhythm, the natural 24-hour cycle tied to Earth's rotation, can benefit from intermittent fasting. Aligning your fasting and eating schedule with your body's rhythm can enhance the effects of fasting. Now that your curiosity is piqued, how can you prepare to start your intermittent fasting journey? Can you imagine going to a party and not touching a single morsel of food? I know it sounds crazy, but with intermittent fasting, you might find yourself doing just that and feeling fantastic. How do we plan our meals during eating periods? Picture this. A colorful platter filled with nutrient-dense foods, vibrant fruits and veggies, hearty whole grains, and high-quality proteins. That's your target during your eating windows. Your eating period is like your very own daily food fiesta, but with a health-conscious twist. Speaking of fiestas, don't you just love dancing at parties? Well, regular physical activity goes hand in hand with intermittent fasting, like the perfect dance partners. So whether you enjoy a casual stroll, a bike ride, a yoga session, or breaking out into dance, remember to keep your body moving. However, like any journey, your road to intermittent fasting may have its bumps. You might encounter some challenges like hunger pangs or cravings, but imagine them as your companions, encouraging you to hydrate more and choose high-fiber foods during meal times. They're just like that nagging friend who always makes sure you're taking care of yourself. But what about fatigue and low energy? Now that's an annoying companion you'd rather leave behind, right? Remember, these are just signs that your body is adjusting to your new routine. So now, the next question pops up. How do you attend social gatherings or family meals when you're fasting? Picture yourself at a big family feast. You're surrounded by mouth-watering dishes, but it's your fasting period. What do? Well, you adjust. That's the beauty of intermittent fasting. It's flexible. You can change your fasting window to accommodate these events. Because let's face it, who wants to miss out on grandma's famous pie? What are some strategies to maximize the benefits of intermittent fasting? You're not just looking to do this, you want to do it right and reap the full benefits. That means pairing your fasting with a balanced, nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and of course, a good night's sleep. You also need to practice mindful eating and listen to your body's signals. But intermittent fasting isn't a silver bullet to all health concerns. It's just a powerful tool, like a Swiss Army knife in your wellness toolkit that can be tailored to meet various health goals. The best diet is the one that makes you feel your best and is sustainable in the long term. Whether you're looking to lose weight as a seasoned athlete, an older adult, or a woman navigating through different life stages, intermittent fasting could work for you, if done right. And finally, the question we've all been waiting for. Is intermittent fasting sustainable in the long run? Well, the answer is, it depends on how well it fits into your lifestyle and how flexible you are with your fasting schedule. Because your health and well-being always come first, don't hesitate to take a break from fasting if you're feeling unwell. Remember, achieving optimal health and vitality is a journey, not a destination. With that said, there is no harm in liking, commenting, and hitting that subscribe button to get more health and wellness videos like this. Stay informed, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.